My dear friends, I'm sure you will all agree with this. There's a difference between spirituality and religion. We were born with spirit, isn't it? But taught religion. Yes, religion has boundaries, has limitations, whereas spirituality has none. It's free like its spirit. And then spirituality does the same. It teaches us love all, irrespective of any barrier. Treat everybody as your own child. Be like a mother. Imbibe all the qualities of a mother and love all as your own children. Yes, the universe has its system and it is telling us learn from the nature, learn from the mother. I have given you examples. Learn from them and follow it. That is what spirituality has done to me. With spirituality comes morality. Morality is doing what is right, regardless of what you are told. Religion is doing what you are told, regardless of what is right. Spiritual people are not godless. We just happen to honor the God in all of us. Divinity is in you as it is in me. Think about it. In fact, religion is believing in someone else's experience, whereas spirituality is having your own experience. Yes, it is your own experience. Why not delve into spirituality and see it for yourself? Surprisingly, spirituality does not come from religion. Yes, it comes from our soul. We must stop confusing religion and spirituality. Religion is a set of rules, regulations, and rituals created by humans, which were supposed to help people spiritually. Due to human imperfection, religion has become corrupt, political, divisive, and a tool for power struggle. On the other hand, spirituality is not theology or ideology. It's simply a way of life. Yes, it's simply a way of life, pure and original, as given by the Most High. Spirituality is a network linking to us to the Most High, the universe, and each other. This is our true calling. Yes, we were born into this world in a system, with a system. We had parents. Same way, we should also reach our unison with God, with a system. For that, we need one spiritual guru, a spiritual mentor called Murshid. And what is in the name? You call Sufi, Sufism, Murshid, mentor, coach, whatnot. You think of yourselves as humans searching for a spiritual awakening, when in fact you are spiritual beings attempting to cope with a human awakening. Seeing yourselves from the perspective of the spirit within will help you to remember why you came here and what you came here to do. And one who found out the truth, they became all Wali Allahs. They became immortal. They made their lives successful here and hereafter. Why not? Let's seek the truth and tread the same path. In fact, my dear friends, there's a candle in your heart ready to be kindled. There's a void in your soul ready to be filled. So do that. Let's all do that. How? For that, we need a spiritual master. Yes, he will do it. He will kindle that candle. Rumi Rahmatullah Alai says, why am I seeking? I'm the same as he. His essence speaks through me. I have been looking for myself. Yes, I've been looking for whom? For myself. Ponder on this. It's a very deep thought. To emphasize the same, I have another quote again from Rumi Rahmatullah Alai. Blessed is the place you are, and glorious to the eye of the heart. Each atom, by your grace, is a universe. Each drop of water, a soul. Yes, we're the same drops of water of that huge ocean called our Creator. When tiny drops of water can make a ocean, why not that ocean be divided into tiny drops of water? Think over it.